After debuting its foldables at Unpacked last week, Samsung for sure now has its sights set firmly on its next-gen flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S24 series. The Galaxy S24 lineup will debut early next year, and a new leak indicates the line-leading Galaxy S24 Ultra will match the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max in one aspect at least. According to leaker Ice Universe, Samsung will build the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a titanium frame. Seeing as the leaker specifies the S24 Ultra, it seems unlikely that this rumor is also valid for the vanilla Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Either way, this ensures material parity with Apple's upcoming flagship phones, with the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max both heavily rumored to sport titanium frames as well. Titanium is denser than aluminum, and it's unknown how it compares in terms of stiffness to the armor aluminum Samsung used on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It remains a rare material on smartphones though, and using it guarantees Samsung extra bragging marketing points at the very least. Meanwhile, Galaxy S24 appears with brand new Snapdragon chip, but there's a catch. Samsung did the unthinkable earlier this year and released the Galaxy S23 series equipped exclusively with a Snapdragon processor. As a result, the phones gained massively in terms of sustained performance and battery life. Next year, it was rumored that Samsung will bring back Exynos chips for the Galaxy S24. Now though, the Galaxy S24 Plus has appeared with a Snapdragon processor. According to the information in the Geekbench database, the Galaxy S24 Plus uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 8GB RAM. Yes, it seems Samsung will offer the base version of the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus with just 8GB of RAM. However, since the phone is still in testing, we hope Samsung offers 12GB RAM for base versions of the upcoming phones. The Geekbench listing for the S24 Plus shows the device is equipped with a chipset codenamed Pineapple, which is speculated to be upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Further digging reveals that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 features the Exynos 750 GPU. The Galaxy S24 Plus running Android 14 scored 2233 points in the single-core CPU test and 6661 points in the multi-core CPU test. However, don't get your hopes too high if you're not in the US or China. It is rumored that the Galaxy S24 will be sold in Europe, Latin America, and some parts of Asia will come equipped with the Exynos 2400 processor. We still don't know what the performance of the Exynos would be like, but it better be similar to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in performance and efficiency. Otherwise, Samsung will be in a lot of trouble from disgruntled fans. So what do you guys think about this new Geekbench result? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time.